Hi everyone, I'm Jimmy. Welcome back. Today, let's talk about a core idea from traditional Chinese medicine, or TCM for short, and its unique approach to women's health. In TCM, there are 5 key organs, but for women, 3 really stand out: the liver, spleen, and kidneys. Think of these as your body's dependable inner team. Let me explain. The spleen manages digestion and turns your meals into energy and blood, the fuel that keeps you going. The kidneys are seen as the source of life's essence, linked to growth, reproduction, and vitality. The liver handles the free flow of energy and emotions, helping everything run smoothly. TCM calls these 3 the iron triangle for women's well-being because each supports the others in a cycle of health. When they're in harmony, you feel balanced and vibrant. So how do they each work? The spleen, which actually means your spleen and stomach working together, helps you absorb nutrients from food. When your digestion is strong, energy and blood are abundant, and your whole body is nourished. Next, that energy and blood need direction. That's where the liver comes in. If your liver energy flows well, everything circulates smoothly and your mood tends to be stable. But where does the liver's strength come from? It's rooted in your kidneys. In TCM, the kidneys are considered the source of life, like the batteries that keep everything running. When your kidney energy is strong, it nourishes your liver and helps maintain emotional and physical vitality. Here's a key point. These organs support you differently across life stages. For young girls, TCM focuses on the kidneys. Before age 7, kidney energy is still building up and the spleen is weaker, so digestive issues are common in childhood. Around age 10, as girls develop, it's important not to overload them with supplements. Sometimes less is more. By the teenage years, kidney energy is abundant. Puberty begins, and regular energy flow helps with development. If girls menstruate too early, it might reflect too much nutrition or rapid growth. From ages 28 to 35, women reach their peak energy and fertility. Many common women's health issues at this stage can be triggered by emotional stresses, often a sign that the liver's flow needs support. Around age 35 and beyond, energy may start to decline. Some women feel fatigue or even experience mild heart symptoms, which might indicate the need to rebalance the liver and restore energy. After menopause, the spleen takes on a bigger role. Decades of living use up some of the body's essence and energy. At this stage, conserving and nourishing energy becomes even more important. But modern life can be tough on these organs. Overthinking, overeating, stress, and lack of rest can drain energy and wear down the spleen, liver, and kidneys. So, how can you tell if these organs need support? Let's look at some simple signs. If your spleen is healthy, you'll feel hungry at mealtime and digest well. Your skin looks vibrant, you have steady energy, and your body processes waste efficiently. If the spleen is weak, you might feel bloated or sluggish, or have issues with weight and skin. Healthy kidneys in TCM mean youthful energy, strong hair, regular cycles, and vitality. Signs you need more support can include tiredness, poor sleep, irregular periods, lower back aches, or feeling older than your age. A healthy liver helps keep your mood even and supports smooth digestion. If you notice irritability, tension, irregular cycles, or digestive upsets, your liver may need some care. So, how do we support this iron triangle in daily life? Here are some practical TCM tips. First, focus on strengthening your digestion and spleen. Gentle warm foods, routines, and balanced meals all help. If you're interested in TCM techniques, acupressure or moxibustion, gently heating specific points, can be supportive. Points like Tai Bai, SP3, Pai Shu, BL20, San Yin Jiao, SP6, and Yinling Quan, SP9, are traditionally used to nourish the spleen. Next, to build kidney energy, warmth is key. Techniques like moxibustion on points such as Tai Chi, KI3, Yongquan, KI1, and Guanyuan, CV4, are valued in TCM. And for the liver, gentle massage along the side of your legs, focusing on points like Yinbao, Tai Chong, LR3, and Qimen, LR14, may help support energy flow. Try massaging or tapping along the inner thigh or underarms, or simply taking a few moments each day for mindful relaxation. Overall, when your digestion works well, your body absorbs nutrition. When liver energy is soft and flowing, your mind and mood are smoother. When kidney energy is abundant, you feel resilient. Every woman's body is unique, and self-care is a journey. Feel free to try these gentle tips, listen to your body, and always consult a qualified healthcare provider about your wellness routine. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more TCM wellness wisdom. See you next time.